Today is 2020 July 29th, almost end of the month, okay? And this is Jack's webinar. Welcome to this webinar, and I hope that to give you guys some updates of the Forex and future markets, all right? So first of all, we can see, okay, if you continuously follow my webinar, okay, you can actually know that I have been calling out this dollar index bearish movement, okay, since April, okay, since April, because the moment the dollar index make this reversal, okay, I told you guys that it may be a false breakout, okay, it may be a fake breakout, and then the dollar index shows a triangle, and I said this is could be a bearish trend continuation pattern, and we successfully captured the dollar short from this pivots, and we captured the dollar downside move of this wave since it broke 99, and then we captured this consolidation movement, and I said after this channel was broken, the dollar index should move down, and it does. Okay, so here you can see this very strong bearish trending of the dollar index, and hence, okay, you can see all of my positions of the euro, dollar, sterling dollar are making money. Okay, my euro dollars buy is giving me almost 7,000 plus profit. Okay, since 1.1370. Okay, then this is my sterling dollar. Sterling dollar is also give me almost a 300 pips gain. Okay, so this, and by the way, I have already realized some profits. Okay, you can check my account history. Okay, let's see at the end of this month or maybe this 2 weeks. Okay, I have another account give me almost I double the account. Let me show you. Okay. Oh, oops, where's account? Okay, okay, no, never mind. Maybe I will just show this one. I have another account. Let me just okay, because this account could be a good approach that showing you how do I manage to keep my bottom position by adding and realizing the floating profits. Okay, so it will be something like this. Okay. Let me just okay, so this, yeah, this will be the account informations. Okay, so you can check the last weeks. Okay, let me just give you my gold's profit. Okay, so let me click the gold. Yep, this one. Okay, this one and this one should be the largest profit is 10K. Okay, so as you can see, I have some gold position. Okay, since here, okay, and I took one profit here and took another profit here. Okay, of course I didn't really do another gold buy at this account because the account actually have a withdrawal. Okay, as a withdrawal of 49,000, and the account the balance, sorry, the capital is actually 50K. So you can see from this 50K capital. Okay, let me just do a detailed statement. Okay, so I will just save this statement and we can actually review it together. Okay, so yep, this here it comes. Okay, so this is the initial. Well, it is not arranged in the format of day. Okay, let me just do it again. Okay, so I should pick the time. Okay, from day one. Okay, and yep. Okay, maybe I need to 3 months. That's 2 months from June. Yeah, from June. Okay. 2020 June 1st. Okay, let me see what happened. Okay, yep. Okay, so you can see from June 18th, the capitals inject to this account at 50,000. Okay, and July July 23rd, we restore the profit of 49,000. Okay, so the account actually made a turnover of 15,000. Okay, profit. Let me just do a detailed statement and show you how did I manage to do this. Okay, you wanna see, right? Okay, so you can see here, basically, the account was controlling a typical loss of like 1,000 or maximum 2,000. Okay, but my profit is setting as 3K to 5K. Okay, so you can see here, this is the curve of the count. Okay, so you can see the count grow from 50K, the peak comes at 99K, and then the withdrawal comes. Okay, withdraw all the profit of 49,000. That's why it didn't really buy the rest of the trend of the gold. Okay, however, I still have another position of the euro at sterling. Okay, so you can see the total winning trades is actually out of 69 trades, the winning trade is 49, which tells me my overall the winning ratio is 71%. Okay, how do you feel about that? Do you think do you think the winning ratio is acceptable? Hey, David says, do you have online English course? I actually just watch your Chinese stream on YouTube. Yeah, I have. I have online English course. You can register to me. Okay. Uh, you can just send an email to harmonicasia@gmail.com. And I do have an English course, and I think most of the members here comes from my English students. Okay. So I do have a series of English course to offer to you, and they are in the YouTube, and I will send all the YouTube to you. Okay. Mendes and WeChat unable to India. If possible, please start Telegram for our students group. Sorry, I cannot access Telegram and WhatsApp in China also. So this is a terrible thing. So you may find some like Astro. Okay, Astro can actually help you to jump out to the firewall. Okay, you can use Astro to connect to WeChat. Okay. All right. So yeah, maybe you can stay in the WhatsApp group. I can transfer the message from WeChat to WhatsApp group by the some motivators. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So the winning ratio is 71%. Okay. And what is the largest profit trade is 10K. The largest loss trade is 3.4K. The average profit trade is 15, sorry, is 1,005, and average loss is 1,002. Okay, so reward and risk ratio due to the aspect that I normally I will close partial. Okay, I will close partial profit, so the reward risk ratio didn't really goes to 2 to 1, but still is above about 1 to 2. Okay, sorry, about a 1.2 to 1. Okay, and you can check here. This is a very strong because my maximum consecutive profit comes as 28,000. Okay, my maximum consecutive loss is only 6,900. Okay, so that's why the curve looks like this. Okay, there's no very significant drawdown. Okay, during the move. Okay, so I will just catch one trade by one trade, and I will just realize like 3K to 5K US dollar during this wave. And when the gold and when the sterling, really boost up. So this is how I managed to double this account almost. Okay, double this account. Okay, so now you understand the if you want to have a very strong growth of your account value, you have to make sure these three things. Okay, so number one, you need to have a enough number of trades. Okay, you cannot just bet all your money into one or two trades. Okay, so that you want to double account. That's not possible. Okay, so you can see I'm actually very actively trading, and getting this number, okay, 69 trades over like 4 weeks, okay. So that's going to be a very high frequency, considerable. And I have a very strong winning ratio, like 71%, and yet I still have a 1 to 2 to 1 reward and risk ratio. Okay, so if you can maintain these three numbers, like you can do as high as more trades as me, okay, like 60 trades over 4 weeks, and you can have a good percentage of winning, like above 50%, and you have average profit trades versus average loss trade is 1 to 1, I can guarantee you a success of Forex trading. Now, do you understand? So YC says a very good winning ratio, right? Yeah. So the thing is, I managed to have this high winning ratio. Not only the ratio is high, but the numbers, okay, you can see here is a lot by applying the law of large numbers, okay. If I only give you my first 5 trades, maybe the winning ratio is very poor, okay. It's like 2 out of 5, okay, is correct. So you have to, the winning ratio only makes sense when your total trades is more than 20 trades. You have to understand that, okay? Because you have, the sample size has to be, hit the minimum sample size before you actually to review your winning ratio overall, okay? And the second thing is, okay, I do find a lot of trading opportunities, okay? Let me just ask you, do you think you can find like 5 trades per week? Basically means like one trade per day. How many of you can raise hand? So you can consistently to find at least 1 trade per day. So 4 weeks, you should actually find at least 20 over trades. By the way, that 20 trades doesn't really comes into, they have no repeated or redundant trading plan. It's 20 individual trading plan. If you think you can hit this target, you give me one. Let me just check all of you. Okay, I will just see what is your performance. All right. Okay, Nelson, very good. Nelson said, okay, yes sir, said yes. Okay, Ray. Okay, good. Very good. Okay, now after you check the trading frequency, okay, then you check your profitable trades. Okay, you check your winning ratio. And my requirement for all of you is try to maintain this winning ratio to 50% or near 50%. Like 45% is okay, 48% is okay, even 42% is still okay, but do not below 40%. Okay, if your winning ratio is too poor, okay, which is below 40%, you will have to struggle to hit like 3 to 1 winning reward and risk ratio to capture back your losses. Okay, so how many of you do you think you can have an averagely 50% winning ratio? Give me your hand. Okay, you can reply by 2. So this round, I will check your winning ratio. Okay, Madden says 2. Okay, good. Anyone else? Try to be confident and try to be honest. Okay, yeah, more than 50% or nearly 50%, both are okay. Okay, and at the least, you should be more than 40%. Okay. Okay. You send a 3-month statement, which are very good. Thank you. And the last thing, you should look at your average profit of trade versus average loss trade, okay? This ratio has to be more than 1. So basically means that this part, okay, must be greater than this part. Then you are safe, okay? Because this is a very simple calculation, okay? If your winning ratio is 50% and average win is like $1.1 and average loss is $1, you still can win, okay? But if your winning ratio is versus loss ratio is lower than 1 to 1, and even you have a 50% winning ratio, still losing money. Okay, so try to have the average profitable trade is greater than loss trade. Okay, All right, so if you make these 3 elements, okay, and meet my requirement, I can guarantee you a good record or good history of your statement. All right, so these 3 things are what we are looking for. Okay, so let me just give you my current position. Okay, you can see here right after I withdraw all the 49K profit, and I start to re-enter the trade. Okay, I can put here. You can see all these trades are new. It's from July 24th, which is 5 days ago. Okay, last week when I was in Shenzhen, I'm out of for working. Okay, I go to Shenzhen to meet some of my friends and my students there. Okay, so you can see all these trades are new. Okay, but now I already made a 10K profit. My equity already grows from 50K to 60K. How do I manage to do that? Guys, why just within 5 days I can still make another 10K in the last 5 days? Which decision do you think that I made this happen? Okay, although I didn't really trade gold because the gold already boosts up too high. Okay, as I said, if you don't have your bottom position, it's very hard for you to re-enter of the gold. Okay, yeah, you see I enter my euro, still earn about 200 pips. Okay, and after the withdrawal, I already have another bucks of money comes inside. You can see here the gold move. I still have some gold, right? I trade gold 3 times. Okay, right? So can you tell me how do I manage to turn this a new or a second tranche of the 50K account to 60K again within 5 days? Who helped me? Okay, Ray says, thanks to Jack, I made 1,100 out of 5,000 capital with another 400 profit floating. Okay, because of DXY's week. Yep, because I understand the trend of the dollar index. That is the killer. That is my top success driver. Okay, so within this background information, bearing in mind, I know that the euro just have a strong breakout of this cup and handle patterns, right? So I already decided to hold the long of the euro until to 1.22. Okay, so I have these buyers. I know that the euro will go into this level at least. Okay, if the dollar index going to the 2018 April's low. Okay, so I understand I have to capture this trending markets. Okay, so I hope that you understand this and you do the same decision with me. Okay, so before the euro hit 1.22, what is your best strategy? Yeah, Armin said dollar index trend is the key. And the second thing is, okay, first, okay, DXY is weak, bearish, okay? Second, okay, you have to know how to follow the trend, okay? You know the direction is going up for the euro, but you don't know how to enter. You don't know how to set your trading plan. Then you still cannot make money, correct? Buy the pullback? Not really. That is only one option, okay? As you know, strong trending, okay? When the trend is strong trend means, okay, the pullback is very, very minimum, okay, or no pullback. Okay? So if there is pullback, okay, we can buy. That's perfect. But what happened if there's no pullback? What strategy can you use? Yes, you can use the price action, okay, plus moving averages. Okay, the moving average I will recommend is the 8 and 89 EMA, which I shared to you before. Okay, I have made this 8 and 89 EMA course or tutorial, okay, in my YouTube, okay, a long time ago, right? I think you can still search for this program in the YouTube, okay? If there's no pullback, okay, you can use price action, and price action involves three price actions, okay? So the number one, of course, will be inside bar. Inside bar is very good to go for the momentum, okay? Especially when this product makes new high, okay? The second one is pin bar, okay? Pin bar is also good for the retest, okay? Pin bar for retest. Engulfing will not be seen in trending products, okay? So engulfing is less to happen, okay? Low chance to happen. Okay, so you should emphasize to capture inside bar and pin bar, okay? Plus the moving average 8 and 89 EMA. So these are the top winner of the last 2 weeks of the trending market. Yes. Okay. Pullback, strong pullback, or sorry, strong trend plus a pullback to the structure will help you to capture another wave. And also the third strategy is using what? Using trend continuation patterns, okay, such as triangle, such as bull flag patterns, right? Okay, or wedge, whatever, okay, or cup and handle, whatever, okay, you can use to giving to you the trend, okay? So these are the 3 strategies we are using, okay? And I hope that you can still using the 3 until Euro go to 1.22, okay? So don't stop using these 3 strategies, okay? You can use a structure breakout and pullback. You can use the inside bar, pin bar. You can use the 8 and 89 EMA in different time frames, like 5 minutes or 15 minutes. You can roll, okay? You can make a rotation, which means you go 5 minutes charts, you find that there's 89 EMA pullback, and then you took 1 trade. And then you go to 15 minutes chart, you can still trade another run. And then don't forget to draw these trend continuation patterns, okay? Such as triangle, wedge, or rectangle, whatever, okay? You find to capture this, okay? So you can make a screenshot of this 3 strategy I'm sharing so that you won't miss the next trend. Are we okay? Okay, so if you understand, let me just cover all the products, okay? So euro dollar very strong, okay? Try not to close all of your euro positions, okay? Because it's very high likely for the euro to still going up. Okay, the gold already rallied too much, but the euro still not not hitting 1.22. Okay, you can use the structural breakout and pullback. Okay, so tonight we have the FOMC meeting. So wait for the meeting come and see whether the euro can go beyond 1.1783 and pull back, and then you go. Okay, so this is a trading plan for the euro. And for the sterling, the same thing. Okay, sterling. Okay, try to find a pullback to 1.2957 and see whether it can hold and it can buy. And the Aussie is also strong. Aussie just breaks new high, and Aussie already formed a bull flag patterns, okay? So you should continue hold your Aussie and pull back, you can go for the new high. Kiwi dollar, same thing, okay? Kiwi dollar a little bit weak than Aussie, but you can use the 0.67, okay, to trade the Kiwi. Okay, buy the Kiwi from 0.67. What about sterling yen? Don't trade sterling yen, okay? Right now, if you have money, focus on sterling dollar. Focus on sterling dollar because dollar yen is going down, right? Dollar yen is going down. So even the sterling is going up, but the sterling yen is hard to go up, okay? I have mentioned this many times. Do not trade cross pairs when dollar index is in a one-way market. Do you remember that? Okay, so if you have money, okay, shift your sterling yen's position. Although sterling yen is still going up, okay, very good. We have already bought the sterling yen from 172, and we bought another sterling yen from this neckline broken, right? So after you took some profit, you should actually have some risk-free trade of sterling yen, okay, and you just leave it, okay. But do not open new trades on sterling yen, because yen is going up, okay? Dollar yen is going down, yen is appreciating, so sterling yen may have some resistance, okay? May have some resistance, okay? And the Canadian dollar is still a bearish trend market. I think if you join my last webinar, I said we can short dollar Canadian, okay? I think it's from here, okay? I said pullback we can sell, right? And also the Canadian interest rate day that I said this pullback we can sell, okay? So dollar Canadian still can sell because monthly chart is terrible. It's terrible. It may goes back to 1.15. The dollar Canadian may goes to that level, okay? Yeah, you are in profit. 115 sterling yen will hold. I recommend you to close half, okay? Close half. Why? Why I recommend to close half? Because first of all, you already win 100 pips, okay? Let's say, okay, you have one lot size, okay, sterling yen. So you are in money about 10K, about 1,000, okay? 1,000 US dollar, but it's floating profit, right? Okay, so you close half. You close half and make 500 US dollar into pockets. Make sure you earn money, okay? And you set your stop loss to break even, okay? To make sure the second half, okay, won't lose any money. Then, okay, by doing this, okay, you actually, okay, have a risk-free trade of 0.5 lots of sterling yen, okay, which you can set a target, okay, to like 150. Okay, you have to close half, because if you don't close, if the price come back to the original entry point, you actually earn nothing, and that will be very, very sad, right? Because compared to $1,000 profit, and now the $1,000 is gone, back to the zero, you'll be very, very upset. And out of 100 times, 99 times, you are going to choose, okay, never mind, I will just close it all because I don't want to lose money, okay? I already have 1,000 US dollar pullback of the net set value, okay? I decide to, you know, to do not lose any money, you go. Okay, but things make different because when you took half position, okay, you already earned 500 US dollar, which makes sure your trade is 100% correct. Your trade bring you some money, bring you some reward at least, right? And then even when the price is doing something against you and hit your stop loss to break even, your second half won't lose any money. And that's why you can hold your second half, because that becomes a risk-free trade. That becomes a free trade for you, 0.5 lot. It's just like somebody just told you, hey, I'm going to give you this 0.5 lot of sterling yen, okay? If you win any money, that belongs to you. But if you lose, okay, never mind. I will cover the loss. You have no damage. So by doing this, we'll be feeling very, very awesome, right? Because some people are telling you if there's any loss, okay, he's going to cover. If there's any profit, okay, it's all yours. That's great, right? So by having this mindset, you may hold your rest of the trade to all-time high. Okay, maybe sterling yen will fly to 150. Maybe, who knows? Okay, as long as it didn't really hit your stop loss point. Okay, so that's how important it is to, okay, close half. Understand? Right. So this is a very typical we call position management. Okay, in my course, and I will tell and I will educate to all of my students. Okay, so the importance of took some profit when the reward and risk ratio go to 2 to 1. Okay, yeah, and how to set your entry, set your stop loss, and set your target. Blah blah blah. Okay, so it's all overall trading system I'm going to give you guys. Right? Yeah. My website have some problem with the server, so recently the harmonicasia.com cannot be accessed, and I think this is going to be fixed in the next week, right? Because we are going to buy some new servers. It is out of date, right? So don't worry, okay? And let's go for oil. Okay, the oil are still trying to climb up, okay, to 42. Okay, the oil is really very boring because the movement becomes so small, very small. It's very hard for you to making some money in the trending market, right? Okay, because if there's no trend, it's a sideways most likely. Okay, if you're short, you cannot make very good profit. If you're long, also it didn't really breaks up, right? So, but you can still be patient to wait for the oil to go terminate this trending channel, okay, trying to buy the breakout of the channel. And if you go to weekly chart, why the oil have a very less momentum, because it already comes into the previous structure here. So I think the oil need to have some correction before it goes up again. So try to be careful of your long position, okay, and you have to draw this trend line to help you decide whether you still want to hold your oil buy or not. Okay, this is a squeezing, and I think after the squeezing, it may have a deep drawback, deep pullback, or it may go up very strongly. But within this coronavirus situation, I don't think the oil's demand is going to be very high. Okay, so this I will put a question mark of the oil's next movement. I think we better observe the oil first. Okay, try not to buy the at a very high place and trying to sell before it really going down. Okay, you have to wait for some signals. Okay, I think the signal will come to this wedge. Okay, so wait for the wedge to be broken and retest and go for sell. All right. Madden says close all along oil long position. Okay, very smart. Okay, very smart. For the S&P 500, okay, I think we have to barely to watch it, because now the situation is the Trump will try very hard to maintain the S&P's value, okay, because the USA actually could not to afford the fall of the S&P. That will make the new crisis, right? Because dollar already is weak, and if the stocks is crashing, and people will lose faith of the United States. So the S&P may still sideways from here, okay, because individual stocks are still doing good, okay, like Tesla still very high, Apple still very high, it climbs up again, right? And some other like Bank of America, sorry, the Merrill Lynch, okay, maybe the Goldman Sachs, okay, Goldman Sachs is a little bit weak, but Goldman Sachs still maintain above 200. Okay, so the generally all the stock indices are doing okay for the last 2 weeks, okay, despite the dollar's weak, okay. The Shanghai Composite also doing a very strong job. I think the China A shares is going to perform this bull flag, so we still have opportunity to trade the A50, okay, the China A shares 50 indices, okay. And the Hang Seng is also okay. It's also breaks the neckline and forms this channel, okay, to goes up. Okay, and the Xiaomi, which I mentioned in the Hong Kong stocks, okay, Xiaomi comes back to the neckline as well, so you can buy the Xiaomi again to enjoy the next round, okay, because this is a perfect example of the neckline pullback retest. Okay, so try not to open new trades from S&P and oil. I do not recommend to buy the S&P from here because it may go down any time. Okay, just need a trigger, just need a breakdown. Okay, so try to observe the S&P first before we have more clues. Okay, for the Bitcoin is very good, very nice. It breaks to goes up to 11,000, which I mentioned. The 9K becomes very strong support, and after the triangle breakout, you can see the price comes very fast, right? So I do hope that you capture this wave, because I have mentioned almost 2 months that I'm saying the Bitcoin is okay to buy, okay to buy, okay to buy, right? And I even published an idea in TradingView, and now the daily chart shows inside about breaks up. So this is very strong. Okay, so Bitcoin, I'm going to be very bullish until 14,000. All right, I think the Bitcoin may go back to 14,000 or 13,000 first. Okay, and if the ABCD move comes, it may go back to 14 and 400. This is my target at 14,700. Yeah. So Bitcoin have a very brilliant futures, the same as the Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum also makes a very strong double bottoms. Okay, the weekly chart just breaks new high. So try to buy the pullback of Ethereum if comes back to 289. Okay, 289 will be a good level for you to buy the Ethereum. Okay. All right, so yeah, I think I probably covered the major markets, which I think that is very good for you to enlarge your account. Okay, just what I do. Okay, you can see the Aussie is doing well, the Euro is doing well. Okay, the Euro just breaks up. Okay, probably I'm just going to add another positions. Okay, or yeah, let's see whether it can goes to 1.22. Okay, so this is how you manage to participate in a trending market, right? You can use the structural breakout and pullback, use the inside the bar breaks out. You can use the pin bar, okay, retesting the EMA 8 or 89 EMA. You can see here, okay, you can play a lot of things around this move, okay, because you can see the 89 EM is really touched very nice, okay, for the Euro in 30-minute charts, okay, every time it comes back to 89 EMA, it's okay for you to buy. And if you draw this trend continuation patterns, right? Yeah, triangle breaks up, you buy, okay, and you earn money. That's easy job for us. Can we add to BTC with daily IB? Yes, you can buy some Bitcoin. You can trade if you have some bottom positions, which already gives you a lot of profit, right? Okay, so this is how we managed to participate in this market, and by observing the trend and following the trend and participating in trend with 3 strategies, which I mentioned. Okay, structure pullback, structure breakout and pullback. Okay, price actions such as pin bar, or inside bar, or 89 EMA, or trend continuation pattern. Can we go cover gold? Sure, the gold, right? I'm thinking the gold is still bullish, so try not short the gold. So use the pin bar to help you to buy the gold. For example, here, now the forward chart shows a pin bar, right? So if you believe the gold is still going up, you can just trade the pin bar here. If you believe the gold is going up, you can take this inside the bar breaks up, right? If you use the 8 and 89 EMA, let me just show you in 1 hour chart, okay? It gives us so good, perfect touch, okay, perfect pullback of this 89 EMA, such as a 1906, okay. So yesterday, if you find this 89 EMA pullback, okay, you should go for it. You should go for it, and then you earn another 500 pips. Okay, so gold is, yeah, you just apply the same strategy. Okay, trending market, same 3 strategies: price actions, trend continuation patterns, structural pullback. That's it. Okay, and the monthly chart, I can tell you the gold is still going to make new high all the way to 2,300. Okay, because that will be an ABCD completion point, which is here. Okay, that is very high likely for the gold to go to what, 2,300, and it may even go to 2,461. Okay, like 1.618 fit extension. All right, so follow the trend of gold. Okay, trying to buy the low every time. If there's pullback, if there's inside the bar, go for it. 2003 is Goldman's target too. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have to know what is Goldman Sachs thinking, but I'm just following my own rules because this has been proved to be very, very successful. Okay, the harmonic patterns plus the, you know, the supply and demand, the institutional order theory. Okay, yeah, by applying this, I think everyone should be rich. Yeah, easy money for you. We are in the new era. The dollar index is dying. It's dying, okay? Again. So try not to hold some dollar recently, okay? Turn it, okay? Sell your dollar to gold, to sterling, to euro, okay? One time we did comparison between Aussie and Kiwi performance. Kiwi has been lagging. That could be also good trade to catch us with Aussie. Yes, I agree with you. Kiwi is also okay to buy. Kiwi, I think, is going back to 0.80, okay, or 0.76. Also, same with Aussie. Aussie going to become to go to 0.85. All right. So you can, yeah. By the way, you can check Aussie versus Kiwi. Aussie versus Kiwi is Aussie is going up. Okay. So I think buying Aussie first. Okay, by holding your Kiwi, you have to be more patient in Kiwi because Kiwi may be lagging to the Aussie. Yeah. Aussie yen, don't trade Aussie yen. I have already explained. Don't trade Aussie yen. Don't trade yen pairs. Only trade dollar yen. Okay? Trade direct pairs. Trade the sterling dollar, euro dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar, okay? Dollar Canadian, dollar Swiss, and dollar yen. Only trade these pairs. Do not open new trades for the cross pairs. Okay? Silver looks like interesting too. Yeah, sure. Silver is also interesting. But silver is really a very high volatility. Okay, you have to bear the volatility. Okay, I think I will be interested to buy the silver from like 22 level, maybe from here. Okay, or I will choose to buy the breakout and retest of this level 24.62. Okay, yeah. Jack, even the dollar is dying. Can we ignore the bullish bet from the dollar Canadian on daily time frame? What would be the bullish bet? You mean this one? Are you referring about this bet? Okay, I can tell you that don't trade this bad pattern because the X point is not strong. Okay, the X point is a new low just created, and it's not the previous low here. And if you go to really low, longer, you can see, yeah, when the bearish trend starts, okay, you don't want to trade the bullish patterns until it comes to here, okay. So try to find some bullish patterns at the end of the downtrend, but not in the beginning or in the middle. Okay, in the middle you should apply the rules of, you know, you're trying to find some bearish patterns such as this one, okay, or maybe, you know, in other time frame like 4-hour chart, maybe you can use okay, there's a cipher here, view trade, okay. Yeah, trying to find some bearish pattern. This bullish pattern is not going to work because you can check the price action. It really just cannot bounce up. cannot close above 80 EMA, right? Inside of 4-hour chart. Yeah, but you have to understand which direction you are going. The momentum is going down, right? The momentum is going down. Then why you want to buy the inside bar up? Why not wait for inside bar down? Jack, what do you think about dollar Swiss going down? Of course, dollar Swiss going down, bearish. Dollar Swiss is just same as dollar index. I think dollar Swiss is going back to 0.80. All right. Okay, good. That's all for today. So, yeah, if you are interested to join my international students group, okay, you can send emails to harmonicasia@gmail.com, okay, for course information. Okay, I do have a lot of English students or foreign students to join my English course. Okay, yeah, you can send harmonicasia@gmail.com for course information. I will tell you what to do, and I'll tell you what do I have to give you, okay, to train you to become a profitable trader, right? Yes, it's really great returns, okay? Very good. All right, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you next time.